here we go. We're gonna be making a big ramp at the end of this driveway, and they're gonna be making it with this big, lovely tractor. See the big. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Turn this back on when they're done being the snow. Here we go. Go. Big little trail going down. Gonna make the ramp. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Perfect trail. Guess we're not making a ramp over there, but we're making a pretty good trail. There's a little bit of a bump there, but it won't be that bad. Just getting all smoothed out. It's awesome. And then, never mind, yeah, that's not too bad. Then there's this last huge bump right here. Go all the way onto this, right to the driveway. Right down to this, and you come down and hit right down to here, I guess. We're still going with the trail? What? Is the trail gonna keep going down to there? Try it. Okay, here, I'll set this back up when I'm at the top triangle. Okay, so it's the first time anyone's going on this trail. See how it works. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get a running start. Oh. Yeah, I don't think this is doing so good. The hill slanted. Oh man, no! Oh! Trying to make sure going over there, but not this time. Now he's trying to snow blow it, so I'll start this back up when we try to snow blow it, which looks like it's doing pretty good, but so far from the results, I don't know if it's, yeah, it looks like it's doing pretty good, but I'll start this back up when we're done, and we're going to be going down this new trail. It's probably going to look different from what it is right now, but yeah. Here we go, we're going to go on a new track, hope it works. Oh, crud. Oh, cold hands. Right now, right now they're making a new trail, and there goes Grandpa going down right into the tractor. And we hit the curb, and I'll start this back up, and we're going down that new trail that just intersected with all the other trails we made. Hope this one actually works. So far, everyone going down, they've gone good enough, and now I guess there's a jump down there, so let's go see that. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh! 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 I rounded it though. That's a round.
We need more snow in there, don't we?
Yeah. There we go.
You come on.
Let's make a video when we got it kind of perfectly down. I think we perfected the ramp, so I'm gonna try it. Coming! I got it. Oh! 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 Man! Here she comes. Huh. Okay, here he goes. Here she goes.
Hey, get some speed. Come on, get some speed.
Look out, Grandpa. Look out, Grandpa. Grandpa, look out. Because I got to get him on video.
Hey, no!
Did you hear it? Now stop it.